everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 291 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this LA Colors Smoothing Face Primer in clear that I got from the Dollar Tree this week. So this was only $1 and this actually comes in 5 different colors. They had a whole display of them at my Dollar Tree, so they had a lot of these there. So I did actually pick this up in another color, but today I really was anxious to try out this clear version because it claims to minimize pores, and I deal with large pores, and that's such like a problem area for me and something that I'm always trying to find solutions for. So if I can find a $1 solution, I'm gonna be very happy. So this says that it creates a smooth surface by filling in fine lines and pores. So I have a lot of large pores along my nose, so I'm gonna see if this actually makes a difference. Oh, I like that this is a squeezy tube. I kind of expected it to be different once I took the cap off, but no, this is nice. So this is kind of like the type of tube that you can apply lip gloss with. So I can actually probably apply this directly, oh yeah, onto my skin. Whoa, this comes out very white, but it feels really nice and cooling. And then I'll blend it in. I look so silly right now. Ooh, this actually has a really nice scent to it. It smells like a really nice moisturizer. Like a slightly clean floral scent. I could have gone in with a brush or a sponge to blend this all in, but I usually apply my primers with my fingers anyways. Look at how white my face is now. This claims to be clear, but this is very white. I would be careful and actually go in with a thin layer if you're not planning to put on a lot of foundation, because this really actually changed the color of my skin. Which maybe that's a good sign that when I use the colored version that I got, it's actually going to have some good pigment and make a difference. But we'll find out about that in a future video. But so, this feels really nice on my skin. It feels kind of hydrating, but it also does have that slightly tacky feeling, which I think is good when applying foundation because it really does help it last and stay in place. And upon initial application, it looks really nice on my pores. My pores are looking pretty smooth, kind of minimized. I mean, you can definitely still see them, but they're not like as large as they looked beforehand. So I do feel like this primer is doing a good job of filling them in. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation on top of this so that I can really test out how it actually looks. So when I try out primers, I like to use my e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation because this is just such like a normal, not like enhancing or anything type of foundation in my opinion. It just goes on with coverage, but as far as like adding a texture or smoothing effect, this is just standard. It doesn't really do anything like that. So that's why I like to use this when I'm testing out primers or other types of kind of skin enhancing products, because this I can really see the difference with. I can't believe that we are so close to Thanksgiving. I feel like I say this about every month, but like November has flown by, but I am so excited for the food, the family time, the shopping on Black Friday, and just like to be getting into that holiday season. I'm so ready for that season. And this is my first Thanksgiving as a vegetarian because I don't know if I ever mentioned this in any of my videos, but being vegetarian was my 2018 New Year resolution. And it's been going really well. I love being a vegetarian. So I don't think that the holidays is going to be hard for me because I can still have some of my favorite things like mashed potatoes and pies and corn casserole. It's just I'm not gonna have turkey, not the traditional turkey this year, but that's okay. Okay, so my foundation is applied and I am very happy with how my makeup and how my skin is looking. My pores look very smooth, but then also where I'm dry, like on my chin, and I have dry patches, the makeup is not clinging to that area at all. So the primer really did do such a great job of creating such a smooth base for my foundation to go onto. I think that the foundation blended out really easily and nicely on top of this primer. And so all in all, I think it's a really beautiful look. And this was only $1. And I have some high-end primers that I really like, but I really like this one too. So this is definitely something that I will continue to use. And it just feels so comfortable on my skin. I'm really happy with this kind of flawless finish that I have now. But so I'm going to continue to wear this makeup for the rest of the day, and I will let you know in the description box down below the wear test results on how this primer performs. If it really helped keep my makeup in place, if it ended up breaking up throughout the day, anything like that, I will let you know in the description box down below. And if you have any questions about it, always feel free to leave a comment down below and I will get back to you with answers. I love to respond to all of my comments. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.